In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a drop shadow effect using GIMP. Whether you're polishing a design project or just adding a touch of depth to an image, achieving this effect can really enhance your visuals. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to launch your GIMP software. If you're new to GIMP, it stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program, a fantastic open source tool that's perfect for editing and creating images. Once you have GIMP open, load the image you want to work on by going to File and then selecting Open. Finding your image file. It's helpful to have the image pre-prepared and ready for editing. Moving on to the shadow effect, head over to the top menu where you'll find Filters. Click on Filters, scroll down to Light and Shadows, and then select Drop Shadow. This is where the magic happens for giving your image that extra layer of depth and dimension. Drop shadow might already sound familiar if you've used similar effects in other image editing tools. Now, once you're in the drop shadow menu, you'll see various options to customize the shadow to your liking. The key parameter to adjust here is opacity. Essentially, opacity controls how solid or transparent your shadow appears. A higher value will make the shadow more pronounced, while a lower one will give it a subtle touch. You can play around with the values to see real-time changes on your image. This experimentation helps you find the sweet spot that complements your design, often balancing visibility and subtlety. While adjusting opacity, also take a moment to look at the other settings available, such as blur radius and offset values. These settings allow you to tailor how sharp or blurred the shadow should be, as well as where it falls in relation to your image, giving you even more creative control over the final look. Feel free to adjust these parameters according to your preference. After you're satisfied with how your drop shadow looks, click OK to apply the effect. GIMP will render your image with the new shadow seamlessly integrated. This step is usually quite quick, but it might take a moment depending on the complexity of your image. And just like that, you're done. With just a few simple steps, you've added a drop shadow to your image in GIMP, enhancing its overall impact. In summary, using the Filters menu and adjusting the opacity alongside other parameters allows you to personalize your images with stylish shadows. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to explore other filters and effects in GIMP. It offers a wealth of features to take your image editing skills to the next level. Until next time, happy editing.